Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about time, and the topics we are going to discuss in this video are relationship between hours, minutes and seconds, 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock, interconversion of hours, that is from 12 hour to 24 hour and 24 hour to 12 hour. Last one is time duration. So first we will start from time. In maths, time can be defined as the ongoing and continuous sequence of events that occur in succession from the past through the present to the future. Okay, time is the sequence of event. Okay, that is the from past through the present to the future. Okay, we can say about past, present and future. And time is used to quantify, measure or compare the duration of events or the interval between them and even the sequence of event. Okay, we can measure the time in second, minute, hours, day, week, month and years with the clock and calendars. So first we will discuss relationship between hours, minute and second. As you have already learned in our previous classes that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds and 1 hour equal to 60 minutes means 60 plus 60 it is 60 is a 36, 3600 seconds, or you can say that 3600 seconds. We can relate this one as hour, minute and second. Okay, while we are moving from second to minute, okay, what to do? We have to divide. Suppose you have given time in second and we have to convert that to minute, then we have to divide that one. Okay, that number divided by 60. So while we are converting minute to hour, okay, again we have to divide 60, same 60, okay, by that number. Then another one, suppose you are converting hour to minute. As we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 2 hour means 2 multiplied by 60. So we have to multiply 60 with that number. Okay, while you are converting hour to minute, we have to multiply 60 with whatever the number we have given. Next one, while we are converting minute to second, okay, in that case also we have to multiply same 60. As we know that 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, so we have to multiply 60 with that number. Okay, now come to 12-hour clock. A day has 24 hours. As we know, a day has 24 hours. We use the AM to tell the running time from midnight to noon. Okay, we can say that the AM it is from midnight to noon. Okay, from here that is 12 midnight to noon, that is known as, this period is known as the morning time, that is known as, okay, AM. Next second one, PM. Okay, the time running from noon to midnight, from here that is noon to midnight, that is 12 noon to 12 midnight, that is known as PM. Okay, and the per exactly 12, that is known as 12 midnight in the night time and 12 noon in the daytime. Okay, if it is daytime, that is known as noon. If it is night, that is known as midnight. Okay, so here are the 12 hours before noon and there are 12 hours after noon. If we add these two, we get 24 hours, that is known as one day. Okay, all. Next one is, we can measure and define for the time of the day using the clock. By using clock, we can say the time. A clock has in general 12 number written on it. It is from 1 to 12 and that represent the time. Okay, it has an hour hand, minute hand and last one is second hand. The time is usually based on 12-hour clock. Okay, in 12-hour clock it has 12 number written on that 1 to 12. According to that we can say the time, and we will use the AM from midnight to noon and PM for noon to midnight. Clear? That is evening time is PM and morning time is AM. Next one is 24-hour clock. The 24 hours of the day were just the counted from 0 to 24. In 12-hour clock we are using 1 to 12 two times in a day, but in 24-hour clock we use the number 0 to 24 at a time. The 24-hour clock uses the 4 digit to tell the time. The first two first two digit tells us the hour. Okay, first two digit in the 24-hour tells us about the hour, last two digit tells us about the minute. Okay, and the unit used is hours. We represent that as 12 hour, 15 hour, 17 hour. Okay, the unit used here is hour. Next point is we can represent this as, the format is, first we have to write the hours, after that we have to write the minutes. Okay, and the unit is hours, and we have to use the semicolon to separate the hours and minute. For example, this one is 14:00. Hours means we can read this one as 1400 hours. 6 and colon 30 hours, we can read this one as 630 hours. Okay, these are the reading and representation of 24-hour clock. Here in this the semicolon. Okay, the semicolon between hours and minute separate the hours and minute the 24-hour clock if the time is in single digit. Okay, like 4 hours, 6 hours, in that case we have to use 0. Okay, we have to write 0 just before it, in the hours also or in the minutes also. If it is single digit number like 0 to 9, then we use the 0, okay, before that digit. Next one is interconversion of 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock. First we'll discuss an example that change 24-hour. Here we have to change to 24-hour clock. Okay, so 3 a.m. and 8 the 3 colon 40 a.m. and second one is 5 p.m. Okay, 8 hour 5 p.m. So here the solution, we have to change this. Here we have given in 12-hour clock, we have to convert that to 24-hour clock. So the solution is, as the am, okay, remain the same am, okay, remain the same time in 24-hour clock also. Okay, all the am that is from midnight to noon. Okay, that is 0 to the 12 am, all the remain the same number in the 24-hour clock also. So here it is in am form. Okay, 3 hours 40 am, so we can read this as 3 hours 40 minutes after the midnight. Okay, so we can write this one in the 24-hour clock as 03:40. Okay, that is 3 hour 40 minute hours. Okay, whenever the time is given in am, no need to change that one, just we have to put the colon and we have to convert this am to hours. Okay, to represent in 24-hour clock. Clear all? Next one, second one is 8 hours 5 p.m. so we can write this one as it is given in pm form, so we have to add 12 more hour. Okay, so we can convert this one as 8 hour 5 p.m. is, we have to add 12 hour to that one. Okay, so it become 12 plus 8, it is 20. Okay, 12 plus 8 is 20, and we have to write the minute as there. Okay, so it become after the midnight, so it become 20 hour and 5 minutes hour. Okay, so we can write this one as 20:05 hours. As we have already discussed, whenever we have given the hour or minute in single digit, we have to put 0 before that one. Okay, as you have to represent this in 2 digit and 2 digit. Clear all? Next one is interconversion of same one. Okay, 12-hour clock to 24-hour. Here we will discuss about the next one. Express the time in 12-hour clock. Okay, we have given the time in 24-hour clock, so we have to change that to 12-hour clock. Okay, so whenever we have given the number from 0 to 12, okay, no need to change that one. Whenever we have, as we know that whenever we are given the time in am, no need to change that one, just we have to write the hours in place of that. So here the same is happening. So whenever you have given the time in between 0 to 12, then no need to change that one, just you have to put in place of hour, we have to write am. So the first question is 7 hour and 10 minute. Okay, 7-10 hours. So the solution for this one is 7-10 hour is less than 12 hours, so we can write this one as It is in morning time, so we have to put AM. Okay, it is in between midnight to noon, so we have to put AM. Come to second question. It is 18 hours and 45 minutes. Okay, 18:45 hours. So it is more than 12 hours. So what to do? We have to subtract this time to 12. Okay, so it is the evening time. So what to do? We have to subtract 12 hours. So from 18 hour 45 minute. Okay, that is 18:45 minute. So we have to subtract 12 hour from this. Okay, if you subtract this 45, 5 minus 0 it is 5, 4 minus 0 it is 4, next 8 minus 2 it is 6, and 1 minus 1 it is 0. So here we got 4 hour 45 minute. Okay, that is in evening time. So because of that we have subtracted, so you have to write PM. Okay, we have to put PM here. Okay, so you have to remember this one. Okay, that is 0 to 12, no need to change, just you have to write AM as it is in morning time. After that we have to subtract 12 hour and we have to put PM after that. Okay, next one is time duration. The time duration of the time, okay, the time duration of the time has elapsed in any task, okay, can be calculated by addition and subtraction. The relationship between starting time, ending time, and the duration is given by, we can say that ending time minus starting time, that equal to duration. Okay, the duration can be found by subtracting ending time minus starting time. Okay, so here is an example. Raghav attends the college from 10:15 a.m. to 4:20 p.m. How long are the college hours? Okay, we have to find the time duration. So now come to the solution. So college get over at the, so here we have given ending time. So the college start at 10:15 and end at 4:20. So we have to write the ending time and starting time. After that we can find the duration. So college get over at, that is the ending time is 4:20 p.m. So we have to convert this to 24-hour clock, as it is easier to subtract. Okay, so 4 p.m. means we have to add 12 to this one. So 12 plus 4 it is 16 hour 20 minute. Okay, second one, college begins at 10:15. Okay, it is the starting time 10 hour 15 minute. Okay, it is in AM, so no need to change one. So it becomes 10 hour 15 minute. Okay, next case is you have to find the duration. For the duration we know that ending time minus starting time. So here the ending time is 16 hour 20 minute and the starting time is 10 hour 15 minute. If you subtract 16 hour 20 minute to another one, that is 10 hour 15 minute. Okay, here you have to borrow. So 10 minus 5 it is 5, 1 minus 1 0. Okay, next case 6 minus 0 6, 1 minus 1 it is 0. So we can say that it is 6 hour and 5 minute. Okay, so this is the required time duration. So Raghav college's hours are, we can found from here, that is 6 hour 5 minute. Okay, this is the duration of the Raghav college hours. That's all. Thank you.